Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 375. Add public data to agent via Bing search. By default, an agent added via the Power Pages Design Studio knows about the content of the site, plus any data in Dataverse that you've configured. In this tip, we'll look at how you can expand the agent's knowledge to include public sites on the internet. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. An agent created using the Power Pages Design Studio is a Copilot Studio agent and is available and editable in Copilot Studio. We take advantage of this fact to include knowledge from public websites via Bing search. In the Setup workspace in the Design Studio, find your agent on the Agents page and click the View link in the Analytics column. This opens your agent in Copilot Studio. Let's allow it to include information from Bing search by going to Topics, selecting the System tab, and selecting Conversational Boosting. In the Create Generative Answers node, edit the data sources, then expand classic data, and enter your website URL in the Public Websites area. After publishing, you should start to see your agent be able to include information from that site as part of its answers. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 375 on add public data to agent via Bing search useful.